Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Generative Coach. In today's video, we are back with a new AI tool called Steve.ai. With the help of this tool, you can do so many things like text to animation video, text to video, voice to video, and so on. So, in today's video, we are going to make text to animation video. Sometimes it's a big task for us, and also some of us have a fear to come on a screens, like for a YouTube channel video, Instagram reel, or YouTube short. So this tool will sort all of your problems. You just have to make an animated video for an Instagram reel or YouTube short or a YouTube video with the help of this without showing your face, and with the help of using a cartoon character or an AI character, you can say. So let's start making text to animated video. But first we have to make a script for our video with the help of the tool Generative. If you don't know about this tool, you can see the video link in our description. Let's go to the Generative tool. Select the AI block writer. We'll start by typing what is data science, and it simply generated the content. In just a moment, you will receive information on the topic of the data science. By clicking the generate button, you will see a detailed description. I plan to generate a few topics including what is data science and features of data science and conclusion. Then simply just go to Steve.ai. So before using it, you have to log in with your Google account, as we are logging with our Google account as always we do. After login, interface look like this. You can see there are so many blocks for text animation and many more. So we are going for text animation. So I'm selecting this one. After selecting the interface, it looks like this. We simply need to copy and paste our content into the section. After pasting, this AI will adjust the text accordingly with the scene. Currently, I am not including all the details, so I will only paste 4 or 6 lines at the bottom, and I would like to create explanative video on this topic. So I will type explain and click. After that, you will see an interface with a various template for a video, and you can select any of them. I have choose this particular template. Wow, our animated video is ready in just few simple steps. First, upload your scene or script, and the AI will adjust accordingly. Then select a template and it will generate your video. To customize your avatar, you just need to go to the avatar and click on it. This will bring up the customize options on the left side of your screen. From there, you can personalize your avatar. If you want to change the character, you have many options. There is a several of characters that you can choose. So for example, I'm choosing this character. So let's change the background also. It is very simple. Just go to this option and there are so many backgrounds. Here you can choose any of them. I'm selecting this one. You can change the action of the avatar and facial expressions. Oh, let's see if I choose this, how it looks. Oh, it's look funny. Let's choose the first one. Let's undo it. Oh, I think I did something wrong here. That's why our avatar changed. Don't worry, we will use this one. Let's play it. Oh, there is only background music left and voice. Let's choose this option. After selecting it, you will be asked if you want to voiceover, or either you can do it as a AI generated voiceover. I will choose the first option. There are many voices. Here you can choose it accordingly and click on add. So let's play it.
Have you ever wondered how companies like Netflix predict your next binge-worthy show, or how self-driving cars navigate through busy streets? Welcome to the fascinating world of data science, the powerhouse behind these modern marvels. In today's digital age,
Wow! So our animated video is ready. And if you want to change the background music, you can also do just by clicking here. So let's check their upgrade plans. So in their upgrade options, there is a plan basic to pro. You can choose a plan according to your need. So this is for the today video. I'm resting my video here for now. If you want to learn about AI tool like this, just follow our channel and subscribe our channel Generative Coach. And if you like this video, just hit the like button and do comment in a comment section. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.